Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting eyeshadow full guide. Start with clean, oil-free lids and apply a thin layer of primer, patting it in gently for even coverage. Let the primer set briefly so it creates a smooth base. Use lightweight concealer on stubborn stains and set with translucent powder to lock everything in, ensuring longer wear and truer color payoff all day. Use a cream base before powder to boost pigment and hold. Apply with a finger or synthetic brush for control. Pat a matching powder shadow on top to set the cream and reduce transfer. Build intensity slowly with thin layers rather than one heavy swipe to maintain blendability and avoid flaking. Finish edges with a soft brush and check under different lights to ensure evenness and long-lasting wear throughout the day. Select the right brushes. Dense brushes pack pigment, while fluffy ones blend edges seamlessly. For midday fixes, carry a small blending brush and a bit of translucent powder to tame any oil or fallout. Spritz the brush lightly with setting spray before picking up shadow to amplify color and adhesion without dampening the skin. These simple tool choices and quick fixes keep your look fresh and prevent creasing or fading throughout the day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.